Crimson Steel Dragon here. As you see in the background, I have some of my friends joined. So yeah, let's get into a Minecraft survival games. So yeah, no. Okay. Two little zombies. Shouldn't have probably started the video. And died. Oh well. Okay. Doc. Okay. This is one of my other friends. Snow. So, I hope we can get this video, maybe get them some houses, or friends' houses, and then some other stuff. So, yeah. Right now, we're just wandering around the world, seeing what to do. So, yeah. Let's maybe get wood. I knew I had some wood on me earlier. I did in my house before you guys came in. Before I did some streaming, so yeah. I'm gonna do like a couple of videos during like one day since I've been busy doing stuff. So yeah. Busy. Yep. So right now, just getting wood. Wood. Okay, so I'm planning on getting a better house, making a little land over on the side. So yeah, planning on getting a room at the end of the month. So yeah. I'm gonna set the houses back here, and then maybe I can put some fences up on the side so nobody will fall off. And just ran out of food again. Oh well, whatever. So there's that. Okay, so dirt. Okay, there we go. You guys need to get some wood. So those dudes know to get some wood. We're gonna build the houses. So yeah. Yeah, my Minecraft user is Mitchain or mine, whatever you guys want to say. It's up to you guys. Split that. Maybe something there. 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Maybe something right around there. Something around those edges. 3. There we go. How long was the other one? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Okay, so now I just want to take out the back side of this one and then put up walls behind it and put some glass in it at the end of them. Then little other things at the end. So yeah, building houses. There's my old house. So yeah, little houses back there. So yeah, I fixed up my house a little for guests or anything. So yeah, and for you guys too. Do I? Oh yeah, you got more wood. Okay, cool. I have like nothing to eat. It's like just drowned. Fine. VOD iron. Found? Iron? Who knows? But yes, I will have a webcam up, and if you guys want me to do vlogs, it's up to you. I don't really care. He didn't even find it. Found. There we go. Some glass there. Can be placed later on. There we go. 2 rooms, about the same. There we go. Okay. So, just placing that down, then there. Now the other house. I'm gonna ask one of them to get glass. Oh, no box. Oh well. So maybe something right around the edges, right around here. Well, I'm gonna go mine some more wood, so the windows look a little bit nicer. So slow. I'm gonna go look in the village for any food. So yeah. Food. I take a big house. Okay. He wants a big house. Okay. What? Oh, I thought that was snow up there at the corner. No. Okay, so let's go run and get some trees. Oh, just wood. So yeah. We're all like sort of doing some of the same thing. A little. Something a little faster. Or whatever. So yeah, just working on houses. So house theme, whatever. So we're going to be working on houses. That's mostly what we're going to be doing. And then next episode we should be, the houses should be done for our friends, and then just put up signs on the houses. So yeah, I think they should look nice, somewhat at least. There we go. There we go. Bam. Bam. Wait, was it there? No. Wasn't there. Dang it. Oh well. So one there, and one there. There we go. Now, we're just getting wood. More likely. There we go. Like the houses? Like the homes? Okay, so maybe I'm just gonna... Hey, thanks. Okay, so... we gotta put some living spaces in there for them. So... some doors? Maybe something like that. I think that looks nice. Yeah, I got the jump. Okay. Then maybe something on the sides of the houses so they can get up from the back side. One there, one there, one there. There we go. Wait, is that all? Oh man. I keep messing up on the houses. No. This sucks. Okay. So, there we go. One there. Cool beans. So, I think I just want to put them on slabs. On the top. So nothing much pokes out through the top. And then they can just put some torches on the top, not the sides. So yeah, there we go. I think this looks nice. Very nice. So yeah. Well, I guess this is gonna have to end the video here. Okay. Cool. Well, yeah. I'm gonna have to let you guys go here. So yeah. Well. Okay. Bye. Say goodbye. Well, I guess that's the end of this episode. Well, yep. Bye. Bye-bye.